We the Masti Cage.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends.
मेरा नाम सदफ है और ये
इस्माइल है.
इस्माइल है. And today we're going to read this book, Urdu Nouns Made Easy. And that's a very nice book. And we're going to cover only the first section of this book, okay? Which is घरेलू चीजें.
चीजें.
घरेलू चीजें is
Household items.
household items, friends. घरेलू चीजें. घर is
House.
घरेलू is household.
Household.
घरेलू चीजें. चीजें is
Item.
items. Let's get started. So let's go to the first page. You should buy this book, friends. It's a very nice book. Okay, we have other items too. We'll start with the घरेलू चीजें. Ishmael, what is this?
Tasveer.
Tasveer is a
Picture.
tasveer is a picture, friends. Next one. What is this, Ishmael?
Gutty.
Ghadi. Ghadi is a
Clock.
clock. What is this one?
Panka.
Pankha. Pankha is a
Fan.
fan. Pankha is a fan. What is this?
Khirki.
Khirki.
Khirki is a window.
Window. That is right. Let's look at the other pictures. What is this, Ishmael?
Bistar.
Bistar. Bistar is a
Bed.
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 Friends, you have to guess with us, okay? What is this?
Takia.
Takia is a
Pillow.
pillow. Takia is a pillow,
Pillow.
friends. What is this?
Kaleen.
Kaleen is a
Rug.
rug. Kaleen is a rug. Friends, you have a rug in your house? I'm sure you have it. Okay, what is this, Ishmael?
Darwaza.
Darwaza. Darwaza is a
door.
door. Good job. Oh, and what is this?
Farsh.
What is farsh?
Floor.
Floor. Floor. Farsh. What is this?
Kursi.
Kursi is a
Chair.
chair, friends. What is this?
Bulb.
Bulb, like a light bulb, right? So bulb is a
Light
bulb को क्या
bulb.
कहते हैं? Light bulb. Bulb. ये क्या है?
Mess.
मेज. मेज को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Table.
Table. That is right. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we're on the last page. आखिरी पेज पे आ गए. What is this?
Birthday.
पर्दे. पर्दे is a
Curtain.
पर्दे कर्टन होते हैं, friends. कर्टन. ये क्या है?
Sofa.
Sofa. Sofa is a
Sofa.
sofa or a couch. Sofa. ये क्या है?
Kitab.
किताब. किताब is a
Book.
book. किताब is a book. And what is this?
Gulam.
Guldan.
Guldan.
Guldan. Guldan is a
vase.
vase. Okay, friends, so we're done with the first chapter. We're gonna try the activity. So let me ask you this. When you say ye, what is ye? Ye is
This.
this. Ye is this.
This.
And when you say wo, what does that mean? Wo. Wo is
That.
that. Wo is that, friends. So when I say ye kya hai, what is this? Right? ये क्या है? Say ये क्या है?
ये क्या है?
What is this?
What is this?
ये किताब है.
ये किताब है.
वो क्या है?
वो कालीन है.
वो कालीन है. वो is that, friends. Okay? When I say वो, that means that.
ये क्या है? What is this? Friends, let's do this activity. ये क्या है? तस्वीर. Picture. तस्वीर. ये क्या है? कालीन. कालीन. Rug. कालीन. ये क्या है? Sofa. 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 ये क्या है? कुर्सी is chair, friends. कुर्सी. ये क्या है? बिस्तर. बिस्तर is bed, friends. बिस्तर. ये क्या है? तकिया. तकिया is pillow in Urdu. तकिया. ये क्या है? मेज. मेज is table, friends. मेज. ये क्या है? खिड़की. खिड़की is window, friends. खिड़की. ये क्या है? What is this? Friends, let's do this activity. Okay, friends, look at this picture and guess what it is. Picture number 1. Guess. तस्वीर is picture. Picture number 2. ये क्या है? Guess. Gutty is clock. Picture number 3. ये क्या है? Guess. Panka is fan. Picture number 4. ये क्या है? Guess. Khirki is window. Picture number 5. Guess. Bistar is bed. Picture number 6. Guess. Takya is pillow. Picture number 7. Guess. Kaleen is rug. Picture number 8. Guess. Darwaza is door. Picture number 9. Guess. Farsh is floor. Picture number 10. Guess. Kursi is chair. Picture number 11. Guess. Bulb is light bulb. Bill Milligan. See you next time.